Hey everyone, here I've got what's called a Seapox lock from China, which I saw on eBay. Looks like a very generic one. Looks okay. The bag it came in, didn't come in the box, came in the bag, sealed bag, typical Chinese thing. Said padlock on it, so I was a little bit concerned because obviously I bought a Dimple Euro style, so let's have a go, try to pick it. Don't think there's anything other than standard spools in here. Sorry, standard pins, not spools. Okay, positive click there. I'm using quite heavy tension on this, endeavouring not to get the pick stuck in the lock. Click. Easy by the tension, just a scooch. A twitch on the core there. And there we go, get it open. Ah, that was fun. Oops, didn't mean to do that. I'll get it back. Anyway, take care, bye bye.